So let us just start. So I'm going to start the topic SQL from the basic. Okay. So SQL is a language. Okay, like English is a language. Like that, SQL is a language to access the database. Okay.
Okay.
And database. What is database? So database is collection of data in the form of tables. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So the next thing is, what is a table? So table is a
Okay.
collection of rows and columns. So when rows and columns are collected, that becomes a table. Now rows are also called as tuples,
Okay.
and columns are also called as attribute.
Okay.
Okay. After this, we have to understand in SQL. Is my font visible? Or let me just
That we.
yeah, let me just make it more visible. Okay. Yeah. So I told you SQL is a language to access the database. Database is collection of data in the form of tables. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Row is also called as tuples, and column is also called as attributes. And intersection of rows and columns are called as cells. So the row and a column in a table, wherever the rows and column will meet, that will become a cell. Let me just tell you in Paint. So for an example, okay, so this is a row. This is a row.
No, I'm not. I'm not able to see. You are showing me something because only your
Okay, okay.
V ones. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Now it's.
Okay. So what I was telling is SQL is a language to access the database. Okay. And then I told you database is a collection of data in the form of tables. Okay.
Tables.
Table is a collection of rows and columns, and rows are also called as tuples. Column are also called as attributes, and intersection of rows and columns are called as cells. Suppose this is a row, and this is a column. So columns are vertical, rows are horizontal, and whichever portion this rows and columns are meeting, this particular portion where this is square. Okay. So wherever this particular square is met, this is called a cell. So what is a cell? It is intersection of what? Rows and columns. So this is
Columns.
called a cell. So the next topic we will learn in SQL is we have to understand there's something called as RDBMS, which is called as Relational Database Management System. And the next is DBMS, which is Database Management System. So the difference between RDBMS and DBMS is in RDBMS, there is a relationship between tables, and in DBMS, there is no relationship between the tables. So suppose I take any example, suppose Oracle, SQL Server, okay, MySQL, okay, DB2, Teradata, all are RDBMS. And DBMS is, if I take the example of DBMS like Fox Pro, okay, Fox Base, or DBase, all these are what? DBMS. So in real time, we will always learn what RDBMS. Okay, there's a relationship between the tables which is maintained in RDBMS. In DBMS, it was previously used and now it is not used, and there was no relationship between the tables. So in SQL, the thing is, it is also called as SQL. Have you heard about this? SQL, SEQL.
Yes.
So it is an old name of SQL. It is called as structured English query language. Okay. So previously it was called as SQL also. Some people still call it as SQL. So nothing is, just the name is different. Okay. So this is the overall basic things about the SQL. There is something called a schema. So schema is nothing but the folder structure in where, okay, schema is a folder structure. You have to understand in such a way. Suppose there's a hard disk which is having a D drive. Now D drive is nothing but a schema. So now D drive is nothing but a database. Under database there is schema. Under schema there will be table. Under table there will be row and column. So this concept should be very, very clear. So suppose if I take a diagram, okay, just 1 second, let me just erase this. Let me just open a new one. Yeah, so let me just take an example. So this is our database, okay? This entire space where our data will be stored is nothing but your database. Now inside database, there are divisions. So this becomes what? Schema. This is nothing but your schema. So this is schema 1, this is schema 2, schema 3, schema 4, okay? Let me just tell, this is what our database. Under database, this is what schema. This is schema 1. Again, similarly, this is schema 2. This is schema 3. This is schema 4 and like that. Okay, so under the schemas, there will be something called as what? Tables. Under schema, there will be what?
Okay.
Table. Under schema, there will be what? Tables. And suppose this is a table, and under table there will be what? Rows and columns. Under the, this is the overall hierarchy you should know when you are learning SQL. Someone will ask you what is a database, so you can just tell that the collection of data in the form of tables. So what is a schema? Schema is a folder structure inside the database under which the tables are created. Okay.
Okay.
So schema is a folder structure under this. Under this structure, tables are created. So these basic things should be very, very clear. Okay, SQL is a language. Okay, SQL plus it is a software where we will write the codes to interact with the database. Okay. So SQL Plus is a software where we will write the code which will interact with the database. So let me just make this particular concept also very clear. So what is the concept here I wanted to tell you is there are three things. What is the thing? First thing. First thing is the SQL Plus. Next is the database. And next is the SQL. So let me just make it like this. So this is SQL Plus. This is a software where we will write the code. Okay, SQL Plus. Okay. Now this code, this particular piece of code which is written is called as query. It's called as what? Query.
Query.
Yeah, this query is written in a language called as what? SQL. This query is written in a language called as what? SQL. So SQL Plus is a software where we will write the query. Query is nothing but the code. That particular code is called as what? Query, which will question what? Database. Which will question what? Database. And database will give the answer. So what will happen? Three things are. First is the SQL Plus is a software. We will write the we will write the SQL queries. And after writing SQL query, what will happen is, wait, this is not very much clear. Just 1 second. Okay, so this is what SQL query. Suppose this is a what? SQL query. Let me just write it clearly. It is not written there but clear. So here we are writing what? SQL query. Okay. So this is SQL Plus. Here we will write the SQL query. And after writing this SQL query, what will happen? It will interact with what? Database. This is what?
Database.
What is database? Collection of data in the form of tables. Now, this database will give the reply to this particular query. Suppose query is what is your name? So he will tell what my name is, suppose XYZ. That is nothing but the query. The questioning to the database is nothing but the query. Okay. So like that only. So this is the structure. We should be very, very clear. First is what? It is the SQL plus where the SQL queries are written. Query will interact with the database. With respect to the query, the question asked to the database, we'll get the output. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Yeah. So the next thing we are going to learn. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. Next thing. This is very, very clear. Then we have to learn is what? Query. Query is nothing but questioning to the database. And then what will happen? In response, database will give the output.
Answer.
Output. As per the question, as per the query, we'll get the output. Okay. This is nothing but a query. So these things are nothing but the basic thing of SQL, which you should know very, very clearly. I'll share these notes to you so that.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so I'll write here so that SQL. So today's date we will write 30/11/2021. First. So this is particular thing which you have to know. This is nothing but SQL is a language to access database. Database is collection of data in the form of tables. Table is collection of rows and column. Row is also called tuple. Column is also called attribute. And then there's something called a cell, which is intersection of rows and columns. RDBMS is relational database management system. So what will happen is there's a relationship between this between the tables. It's a software. By using this software, we can write SQL queries and we can create our own database. We can create our own tables. So this is a software where we have relationship between the tables. DBMS is also a software, but there's no relationship between the tables. So everyone is using RDBMS. Now there is something called as SQL. SQL, what is SQL? SQL is nothing but structured English query language. Is the another name of SQL. Previously it was called as SQL. Then I told you schema. Schema is the folder structure under which structure. Under these structures, tables are created. Means schema is a folder structure. Under this structure, what will happen? I showed the entire diagram, right? Under this schema, the tables are created. First is the database. Under database, there is schema. Under schema, there is tables. After that, we discussed on the SQL Plus, which is a software where we will write the codes. Codes is nothing but the queries to interact to the database. Then I told you what is a query. So query is nothing but the questioning to the database. In response, we will get the output. So these are the very, very basic thing which should be very, very clear when we are learning what? SQL. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, 1 second.